Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we'll do questions which is based on continuity. But before that, in the last video, as I have already told you about the continuity of a function. So before going through our questions, again we will revise it. What is continuity? So student, you all know that a function fx is said to be continuous if its graph can be drawn without lifting your pen or pencil. This means that a function fx is continuous if its graph has no jumps, gaps or holes. So a function fx is continuous at x is equal to a only if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x tends to a plus fx, and this is equal to the value of our function fx at x is equal to a. So in the first case, as you can see that I have drawn the curve y is equal to fx. So here this curve is defined at x is equal to a. Here the limit from the left hand side is approaches towards a, and the limit from the right hand side is approaches towards a. So from here, as you can see that both of them will coincide, but as you can see that there is a hole in the curve because limit x tends to a fx is not equal to f of a. So student, our function fx is discontinuous at x is equal to a, as limit x tends to a fx exists, but it is not equal to value of f at x is equal to a. And now in the second case, I have drawn the curve y is equal to fx. So here you can clearly see that the function is discontinuous at x is equal to a, as the function is destroyed at x is equal to a, or you can say that there is a jump in the value of fx as x crosses a. So here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, that is limit x tends to a minus fx is not equal to limit x tends to a plus fx. So again student, limit x tends to a fx does not exist at x is equal to a. That means our function fx is discontinuous at x is equal to a. And now in the third case, so as you can see I have drawn the curve y is equal to fx, and this curve is defined at x is equal to a. So here the limit from the left hand side is approaches towards a, and the limit from the right hand side is approaches towards a. And also at limit x tends to a, our function fx is defined, and where f of a is the value of our function fx at x is equal to a. So here left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x tends to a plus fx, and which is equal to f of a. So here this function is continuous at x is equal to a. And now our first question for today is test the continuity of the function fx, which is equal to mod x upon x for x is not equal to 0 and 1 for x is equal to 0. So as you all know that for x is not equal to 0 means that we have to check for x is greater than 0 and for x is less than 0. So as you all know that the modulus function x will gives us two values, that is for x is greater than 0 it will gives us x, and for x less than 0 it will gives us minus of x. So from here student, our function fx will be equal to x upon x, which is equal to 1 for x is greater than 0, and minus x upon x, which is equal to minus of 1 for x is less than 0, and 1 for x is equal to 0. And now first we will take left hand limit at x is equal to 0, which is limit x tends to 0 minus fx, and we know that at x less than 0 our function fx will be equal to minus of 1. Therefore student, at limit x tends to 0 minus our function fx will always be equal to minus of 1. And now we'll check for right hand limit at x is equal to 0. So from here limit x tends to 0 plus fx will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, and we know that at x greater than 0 our function fx will be equal to 1. So student, from here limit x tends to 0 plus for x is greater than 0 will always gives us 1. So clearly you can see that at x is equal to 0 our left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So we can write this as limit x tends to 0 minus fx is not equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx. So from here we can say that our function fx is not continuous at x is equal to 0. And now practice this below question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.